Oh guys, just look at how clean that is. Just look at how clean that is. Look at the tap, the way it's shiny. Will you believe, guys, what I just used? I used baking soda and toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste you want to use. I actually used Close Up, but I've seen guys using Colgate, some using Colgate and vinegar. Other guys have been using just the toothpaste and baking soda. Hi guys, welcome back to King's Remedies, and today what I'm going to do, I'm gonna clean my wash and basin using Close Up, and also using baking soda. I know guys, I've seen guys out there using Colgate, but I'm going to use Close Up since that's what I have. Let me just do this experiment. I see if it works or not. So let me pour the baking soda. Yeah. And then let me get some Close Up. And then we see what happens if I can manage to make my wash and basin clean. You can see the staining there, so let's just see if this really works. There, just for a second, I get we get some water, open the tap, let's see the fuzziness. You can see it's starting to make some fuzz. Okay, let me just mix it with my hands, and then we see. Actually, there I'm feeling it. I can feel some bit of texture, like sandy kind of texture. So let's just see. And also I'm going to clean the tap, the chrome, so that we can see if it will become shiny. Let's just see. This is an experiment, guys. There's some more baking soda. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I can be able. And also, guys, later on I'll also do another trick for men. So just stick around and let's see what I'll put at the end of the video. So now let me just start by scrubbing. I can see, guys, it's actually working. I can see it's actually working, guys. There. This other side, the wax in, wax out. Yeah, guys, it's actually working. You can see the stain is coming out. Wow, this is so amazing, guys. You know, you might look at it and then be like, what? Baking soda and some toothpaste can really clean. There. See it, guys. It's actually getting clean. Wow. I don't know, this can be a smart video. I think so. This can be my smart video. Let's go for the tap. Let's see. Also the sink itself. There we go. The sink itself also. Just wipe it. See how clean it will be. This is my asmar. Yeah. Better this than watching those girls. I don't know what they do. Licking this top. as an asmar, kindly comment on the comment section below if you want to see me doing such a kind of asmar. Oh guys, me eating some waffles. Actually guys, it's working. You can see my tap is becoming shiny. The stain is actually coming out. The stain is actually coming out, guys. So I think these remedies are real. It's actually cleaning. So guys, kindly try it out, because I think it's working. Maybe if I do it maybe 2-3 times, my sink will be totally clean. But it works. It works. It's actually, I think it's a bit cleaner than how it was. The stains have come out a bit. Maybe let me try putting on some more of the baking soda again. But you can see the stains are actually not like they were at the beginning when you were starting. Yeah, there. Let me put some more on that side also. You can see it's becoming, let's see, there is fuzzy. Let me try again once more. Okay, we got ourselves a remedy. I think you can use it. I've seen guys using it on also on steel utensils, cooking pots, removing the smoke, that black part underneath your cooking pot. I've seen guys using it, mixing it with some vinegar. So try it, guys. I think it works. It actually works, not think. It actually works, guys. So kindly try it out and tell me how it goes for you. But the experiment is true for me. I have confirmed it works. Colgate and baking soda from your comfort of your house. You can use it to clean your wash and basin, your sanitary fittings of vanity, and also your cooking utensils, cooking dishes. You can use baking soda and some vinegar if you don't want them to end up with the smell of the toothpaste. Maybe you can see I'll do a b-roll of the sink and how clean it is actually right now. Sparkling, very sparkling. How time well spent as I was doing the tutorial. I think that's enough. Let me just show you guys. Just look at how the tap is. Just look at how the tap is. Sparkling clean. Let me just use some tissues since I don't have a cloth over here. Let me just use some tissue just to wipe it so that it is dry. Let's see at how shiny it is. Let's see how shiny it is. Let's see how shiny that is. Very shiny. Very shiny, look. Very, 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 very shiny. So I think that's it from me. Kindly try it and comment on the section below and tell us how it worked for you.